Our solar system appears calm, peaceful even, with planets moving gracefully around the sun like clockwork. But is it truly stable? Will it stay this way forever? Today, we'll explore the hidden balance and fragility of our cosmic neighborhood. What does stability even mean in astronomy? It means that the planets will keep orbiting the sun in predictable paths, without flying away or crashing into each other. The sun's powerful gravity anchors everything in place. For billions of years, Earth and its neighbors have traveled around our star in a relatively steady rhythm. Thanks to this balance, life had the chance to evolve here on Earth. Imagine if planets were constantly colliding or being thrown into space. Stability is the reason we exist. But stability doesn't mean stillness. The giant planets, especially Jupiter and Saturn, constantly tug on smaller worlds with their gravity. These nudges can change the orbits of comets and asteroids, sometimes sending them hurtling toward the inner planets. This is why impacts happen, like the one that ended the age of the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Even though the planets themselves are stable, smaller objects are not. And even planets are influenced by what scientists call orbital resonances, subtle rhythms where their gravitational pulls amplify each other. Over millions of years, these small shifts can grow, leading to unpredictable or chaotic outcomes. So our solar system is stable, but not completely orderly. In fact, it's a dynamic, sometimes chaotic system where small changes can have big consequences. But the good news is, for now, it's stable enough for us. And even better, it will remain that way for a really long time. Computer models suggest that the solar system will remain mostly stable for at least 5 billion more years. That's about how old the Earth is right now. So life on Earth has plenty of time left to evolve and thrive. But after that, things start to get a bit iffy. About 5 billion years from now, the sun will run out of fuel and our star begins to collapse in on itself. As it does, it will expand outward, becoming a red giant. At that point, it will swallow up nearby planets, including Mercury, Venus, and maybe even Earth. The outer planets might drift farther apart, and some moons could escape completely. In the far future, when the sun shrinks into a white dwarf, the remaining planets may continue orbiting for trillions of years. But tiny gravitational tugs, from passing stars, or even the Milky Way's pull, could eventually scatter them into interstellar space. So the stability of our solar system depends on what you call home. If you live near the sun, you've got a pretty safe bet for the next 5 billion years. But no matter where you live in this system, remember, nothing in the universe lasts forever. On cosmic timescales, even the most perfect clockwork system eventually falls apart. That was the story of our solar system, a fragile balance between order and chaos. Do you think we'll be around to see the end of our solar system? Let us know your thoughts, and thank you for watching.